Miggy, walk. Oh. Why?
It's niet funny. Vullenbak is daar.
Ah, sorry.
Daar is de vullenbak weg, kijk.
Is this because my leg was hurting? Is there also a queen of
Yeah.
then what's her name? How can they see where they are
Queen
going?
Letizia.
How can they see where they are going?
Is that the gorilla from Gorilla Tag?
Not from Gorilla Tag.
Huh?
Not from
And that
Gorilla
one is that a bear. Let's look. Let's have a look. Huh?
What do they need money then also?
Okay.
Put
Ah,
your face here.
this is how busy Madrid in August. Because
Look,
it's
the plaza.
hot. It's empty. Where are the people?
Where's
Because
Jelly?
it's hot.
I said,
Fuming hot. We're heading to, where are you going?
where's Jollibee?
There, that way. Welcome. We're back to Jollibee. Because that boy is a Filipino. Are you a Filipino? Huh?
No, a Jellybino.
A Jollibee. Why do you like Jollibee?
Because there's chicken, gravy, and rice.
Uh-huh. Then you're a Filipino.
No,
Wait.
I'm a Jellybino.
Alright, Jollibee.
In the Warner, we need to cancel it tomorrow.
No.
Yeah, because you need to walk there. You cannot walk.
You can stay down there.
Yeah, you can stay there.
Very quiet in Madrid, no?
Delight.
Turkish. Mix, do you see what I see?
Yeah.
What it is?
A
What is it?
tiny bee face with a chef hat
And
on.
that is?
Jollibee.
There. Finally. Finally, Mix. After a long walk.
It was just over there. Look, we were just over there.
Where?
There. We were
Ta-da!
just there. And we could just go
Go in, go in. Miggy with the gel. Welcome.
Look this. Look this. Yeah, look this.
Oh, my chicken.
Wait, one second.
Do you have gravy?
Sorry. Here, mango pie.
Yay!
Is there gravy?
Are you in the Philippines?
No, I'm in Madrid. Jollibee.
Jollibee Madrid. Happy?
Yes, look there.
Da-da-da!
And my gravy.
Yeah.
My gravy.
Hier. Oké, dit is je rijst. Kijk. Je rijst.
Very
Mama's
excited.
mango pie.
Very excited.
Mama's rijst.
My
Have a
chicken.
plato
My
Ja, water.
chicken.
We don't have platter. We don't
for
have
the rice?
No, lepel. Oh, je hebt al lepel.
Oh, really looks like chicken joy. Chicken joy mix.
Dus.
But the rice, we don't have plato. Oh my god.
I just.
The hungry boy.
Then where do I put the rice?
Dus hier kun je niet eten, maar je
They
kan
don't
gravy
have
eroverheen
plato.
doen. Gravy eroverheen doen over
At
je
least they
rijst.
have gravy.
Zal ik gravy eroverheen doen?
Gravy.
Over je rijst?
Alright, that's the fish. Good, yummy. Buy the chicken now.
The best part of Jollibee is the gravy.
What?
Gravy.
Is it again?
The best part of Jollibee is the gravy.
And the chicken, huh?
Hot.
Okay. Hot, okay. That is... Are you not happy?
Yeah.
What did you eat at Jollibee?
Rice with gravy and chicken.
Yay! Did it taste like the Philippines? Uh-huh.
Because
Why
every Jollibee
Jollibee?
tastes like the one in the Philippines.
Okay. Now we are leaving.
But the one in London doesn't have gravy.
Crazy.
I don't know why.
What is this? What are you song? Checking the people. See, it's not busy.
We are following.
We are August 24, Saturday. Here is Super Mario.
Then you and Papa have to switch off the light tonight.
We're in Plaza Mayor in Madrid. Over there.
I think I remember. We came here. Mountain churros.
Hi, Mix.
So we're gonna swing.
Yeah. Hi, Mix.